car is back. As you can probably see, it has nothing no more. Fenders all fixed, doors all fixed, perfect lineup, everything. Ooh, oh, that sounded like a haircut. But yeah, everything. Oh, hey. Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you! That's what you gave, bitch. Hey, what the? What the? Fuck you! Fuck you!
Here you go.
Thank you. But I need to take this paint off. Some of it came off the door, not all of it, but door 2. Pretty much acetone will take it off. We tried scrubbing and shit, but not work.
Me and Javi did that. Aaron didn't do shit.
Thank you to Sergio and Javi for helping me install it. Hey,
what you think about this cut though? Shout out to Julian. Got me a, mulling.
oh, that shit kind of. Ooh, just washed the car, looking clean, and look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Now it's time to just see what's wrong with the inside. If there's not, then I'm just gonna get alignment, but the alignment's pretty much fucked up right now. And yeah, damn girl, what's up girl? Brand new fenders and shit. Damn, look at that. Damn, back like I never left. Sheesh. But yeah, shout out again to Javi and Sergio for helping me install the fender and the door. It took about like an hour taking it off and back on. Everything works. Now I just need to put my little visor back on, and yeah, happy. If you guys can guess how much I got the fender and the door for, guess in the comment section down below. Oh my god, it's Tristan! Oh wow.
He's got reps.
Oh.
He's got reps.
Oh wow.
We don't do reps here.
How's this doing reps? What you mean?
Do these reps, bro.
Oh. Oh damn.
Sounds like you.
Damn.
That's a different bumper?
Yeah, that's a sport one.
Oh. Wow.
Hold on, I'll show you comparison.
Very nice.
This guy, man.
Very nice guy. But these works though, sheesh. If anyone is selling in the 916 area or the Bay Area, let me know. I need some work wheels for the RSX, you know what I'm saying? Happy the car's back, but if you guys can guess what the price is for the fender and the door, let me know. Coming down right now, and I'll tell you guys in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I got it for a total of $540. I'm not really tripping. I went to pick a pole first with Javi and Sergio. We thought we can get one. It was the same color car and everything, but the fender was all fucked up. The car got repainted and it looked like shit. So yeah, I'm glad I stuck with this. And it's looking good, Damn, girl, what's up, girl? $540 for everything. It was going to be $400, but then he was like, you want the glass in it and everything? It's like, yeah, sure, but yeah, $540, including tax and everything, so. Hey, that insurance money, I got it, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Hey, Work Wheel, shh, Work Wheel sponsor me. Hey, Carbon, shh, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But we'll see you guys at Ethan's. We're gonna go check out Dylan's new car. He got it for his 18th birthday, and we'll see what it is. But if you guys can guess what it is, props to you. He's been wanting it for a while now, and let's go check it out. All right, y'all. So
What's up?
I'm here with Dylan with his new car behind us right here, and I just want to say congrats to your new car.
Thank you, bro.
You've been waiting too long for this,
I know.
and your dreams came true.
Yes.
So I'm happy for you, bro. I'm happy for you, bro. I'm happy.
Yeah, no more catching rides with you.
If y'all guessed it, then y'all right.
The car's ugly, bro. Don't even watch the video. Click off.
But here it is. Here's a reveal in 3, 2, 1. win. Congrats. Proud of you.
Oh, whoa.
Oh, what the fuck? Congrats again, bro. Proud of you. Your dream car is finally here, cut. Let's go! Damn, this shit's clean, dude.
They did a respray on the car.
So it's Milano red still.
It's still red, yeah. But they did a respray, but it's not that good of a job. So there's hella orange peel up in the back in some areas.
It's still clean though. Sheesh. So, what is the plan for this car? What are you going to do with it? What are we gonna expect in the channel? Okay. First things you're gonna do with this car.
All right. I either want to go coils, or unless I find bags for a good deal, then I'm gonna go bag. USDM Type R front.
Okay.
With the lip.
Okay.
Mugen side skirts. With the Mugen rear lip with a third brake light.
Okay.
Third brake light is necessary.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna go the duckbill. Duckbill from eBay. It's fiberglass, but it's cool.
Okay. Okay.
You already know the banner.
Oh,
The banner.
yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Clean, bro. Clean.
Man, I want to change the color too.
What?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Paint it
Red.
pink.
You better keep this in your garage, cause
Pussy pink.
this shit will turn pink.
Pussy pink.
This shit will turn pink. I swear to God, it will turn pink on you.
It's true.
Yeah.
That was the car.
Oh, you're right. My boy's RSX. His is Milano red, and it's pink.
It turned pink.
It turned pink.
Does it help if I get a car cover?
Though, didn't they?
Yeah, but still, like, you know.
Yeah. It's not a great job.
Hey,
though.
do the bitches love
Wait,
it,
hold on. Does a car cover help?
Did they tell you where they sprayed it at?
The whole car,
The
right?
whole car. The whole car.
No, I know, but did they tell you where they got it sprayed at?
No. Dude, honestly, if I'm being honest, bro, it
There's
looks
more
like
orange
it's
peel than
top
Aaron's
gun.
RSX. Oh my god.
Hey, what you think, Ricky? What you think? What you think?
What do you mean?
What you think? Now that you got a new car, now he got a new car, so what? What you think?
I like it.
But the thing is, the question is,
That means I gotta get a new car.
what the? Hey, whoa! Who's that? Who's that guy? Who's that guy?
What the
Who's
heck?
that? Who's that guy?
That's not Ethan.
Who's that guy?
That's Finn.
Hey, the real question is, if y'all two race,
Why do you look like that?
He'll win.
Bro, you just like
nah, but
turned
y'all
12.
stop, though. Oh, what's up? Dustin? What the fuck?
No, he'll win though.
I'll win.
But who got the gyro mod though?
I don't know.
Me.
Not this guy. I beat Ricky
Automatic
Oh,
guy.
I'd be Ricky.
oh, damn.
Me,
Hey, what's up,
it's
cut?
me.
and she'll be
When you
witness
gonna
it too.
get your when you gonna get your
Probably looks like an engine.
I don't know.
Oh shit!
Nah, yeah, it's gay.
So are you.
You don't want to see it.
Hey, look, it's Trevor. You guys didn't see it?
Oh, that's Alex SVT, bro. It's Alex SVT. He's got a white Mustang over there.
Wow. Oh, it's red car cover too, or the?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Shit, that shit looks paint made.
Oh no,
never
it's
mind.
not. That's
As
still
you
pretty
see
clean.
here, you see a slow ass car,
Nice,
slow ass engine.
nice,
It's not gonna go fast. Okay. See, look, it
going
turned
on
off.
slow.
It sucks.
nice. What you think, Trevor? What you think? What you think?
Nice, man. It's just
It's nice.
I think I blew a fuse.
The thing is, who's gonna? Is he gonna beat you? Though?
2.0 slow.
Ooh.
Come on now, bro.
Ah, this guy, bro.
Look, dude,
This guy, bro.
I got an RBC cut.
Damn, son. Oh, you got an amp or a sub in there?
Yeah, it's wide first up. Yeah, son. Shout out to Billy.
Yeah. Damn. And he has this thing. Damn. Where Billy at though? Oh, what the? But what the hell, boy? And he told me that he's going to be the second owner, which is this car was owned since '09 by one guy, which is pretty good. And yeah, proud of my boy Dylan for his new car. More to come till this car is getting built, and you guys are gonna see the progress on the channel. So, exactly like Billy's.
Hell no. Ooh, that boy got the Alpine in
I like how
the
the
back.
smell is like hella high up.
Oh shit! It bites hella.
Those tired. Aaron, you look smaller in this car.
Here, just like that manual.
Billy looks fucking
Do
small.
you like the short shifter?
Yeah. One hit boost. Damn. For that.
Is that VTEC?
No, my VTEC hits at like 55.
Are you gonna lower it?
Yeah. I think
What,
that.
42?
Yeah. Or like 45 or some shit. Actually, I don't know.
Oh, rev hand cut.
Yeah, it has hella.
Rev hand cut.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's kind of fast.
Damn, faster than Trevor?
Fast, bro. I think this car's faster than me.
Probably.
Damn.
Oh, second gear or third gear?
Second. Wow. SI guy.
Aaron, do it doing that, bro.
Clutch kick, daddy.
Oh shit, yeah.
Yeah, his brakes, Aaron, relax.
Okay.
Okay.
I got hella body roll, bruh.
GG's.
Aaron, you're trying to kill us, bro, relax.
Stop right there. Stop right there. Ready?
Are you back at car?
Back up camera. Cool. My tints are so dark you can't even see out the back.
I'm hitting Trevor's car on purpose so he can get money.
Yes.
Is it Aaron approved?
Aaron approved. AronRSX approved.
What about you guys? Do you guys approve?
It's slow, but it's cool.
Yeah, it is slow.
It's cool for a little
It's fast. It's fast for me.
Dylan, how many times I tell Aaron to keep it down, bro? Oh my god. Man flies past my neighborhood, dude.
He's going at least 50, bruh. At least 50. Yes, you.
This guy right here.
Don't let this guy fool you. Oh my god, I look like Kim Jong Un.
Dude.
Hey, did you hit VTech?
Yeah. Pretty good. I like it.
Hey, dude, VTech kicks you in the ass, huh?
Hit VTech?
In this car, VTech kicks. I mean, it hits. My bro, screw you, bro. You driving RSX, bro. What do you think?
It was cool. For a little Honda.
Okay. Okay.
I'm so mad at this guy.
What? What?
I just need the hug, I'm so fucking pissed, Aaron.
Wow. Yo! I'm gonna end the video here, guys. If you guys did enjoy, please hit that like button, comment down below what y'all think, and I'll see y'all in the next vlog. This is AronRSX signing out. Peace.